automatic glass sealing robot features preset storage function and Yaskawa servo control system, compatible with various glass types. It delivers continuous bubble-free sealing and full corner filling glue. The machine meets sealing requirements for insulated glass in diverse sizes and constructions, including double glazing single cavity, triple glazing double cavity, quadruple glazing triple cavity, special shaped insulating glasses sealing, stepped glass for home appliances, as well as mixed size curtain wall glass. It covers a wide range of applications. This production line adopts an automatic unloading machine to complete glass offloading. The machine can independently absorb glass and accurately calculate travel distance. An alarm activates once the glass rack is empty to remind operators of timely replacement.